Bring back Captain Nagase. Don't make us have to give her a posthumous 2-rank promotion.
We've succeeded in tracking down Captain K. Nagase's distress beacon. We will now launch a combat search and rescue operation for the captain. Captain Nagase is currently on the run from an enemy patrol. Although she's being pursued, her distress beacon is still broadcasting. This transmission is extremely weak, so we cannot confirm her location unless we get closer to the source of the signal. Follow the signal to find Captain Nagase's concealed location as quickly as possible. Once you find her, report her location to the Sea Goblin Helicopter Squadron. The helicopter search and rescue team is expected to face stiff opposition from enemy air and ground forces. After the helicopter team picks up Captain Nagase, provide air support for them as they airlift her out.
This emergency locator beacon is our connection to Nagase. Let's hurry up and find her. Hang in there, Nagase! Pay attention to the changes in the signal's pitch and tempo.
Right. I'll try to get a bearing that has a better response.
Kid, do you understand how to view the distress signal sensor on your HUD? Okay, just checking. Make sure you don't miss Nagase's signal.
I'm okay. I can keep going.
Hey, Blaze! Did you see someone below us just now?
I don't see anyone from here.
Enemy planes above. You see them?
Protect Blaze. I'm the one being protected.
Chopper to Kid. I'm gonna split off and search, okay? Roger, I'm splitting off. I found footprints this way.
A helicopter at low altitude. I can see the fin flash. Is the enemy alright?
Support team, hurry up and finish them off.
Sea Goblin to War Dog Leader. I'm honing in on your signal. The signal's changing. Looks like you're gradually getting closer to Captain Nagase.
Where is she? Nice kill, Kid! That's a jammer craft!
It's being jammed!
It's going backward. This is a decoy.
I'll be alright. I know Blaze will come for me.
The signal's getting stronger. Nagase's around here somewhere. 11 o'clock! Something just moved in the forest! We don't have any time! The enemy's right there!
I've heard that engine sound before. Blaze, is that you? Is the enemy following? Can't be. I've been covering my tracks.
Response up and increasing. She's right around here. Captain taking fire. Are you all right? Captain Nagase, can you hear me? I can't relax until I hear your voice.
Keep your eyes open. He's gotta be hiding somewhere. Got him off up ahead. Don't let him escape.
The captain shot down the enemy.
You idiot! Hold your fire!
They're firing at me. I'm moving away.
We need the enemy pilot alive.
Several dozen enemy soldiers. They're about 300 yards east of here.
Where is she? enemy does.
Blaze. I know you'll be coming for me. I know it. The enemy's inside the forest, too. They're coming this way.
Keep your eyes open. He's gotta be hiding somewhere.
Captain, you stalled. Are you all right? Nice kill, Captain.
I can hear voices. Enemy soldiers are in the area.
They better hurry, or else the enemy will get to him first.
Fox 2! Fox 2!
Graham, hurry up! Nagase's in trouble!
They'll find me here. I have to go deeper in. Blaze!
This is Sea Goblin. War Dog, have you found her? Roger. Good job. You have good eyes. We'll move in for the rescue. While we're on our way, eliminate those enemy fighters for us. We need to make sure this place is safe. Don't worry. We'll take your princess back to base safely.
You do that, and I'll worship you guys. Fox 2! Fox 2!
Did you find Captain Nagase?
This is Sea Goblin. We're moving to the scene as fast as we can. Let me know when you've confirmed Captain Nagase's position.
Whoa! Whoa! There's still enemies on the ground! Hurry up, guys! What are you gonna do if the enemy catches her?
Calm down. We're going as fast as we can. This is Sea Goblin. The enemy's targeting us.
I'll shoot down every single plane that comes near the helicopter. Enemy fighters! They're coming this way!
Blaze just shot one down. Don't take any chances. You'll get shot down yourselves.
We'll just have to count on you if that happens.
Bastards! I'm not letting you near that copter.
Hey, so this Captain Nagase, is she a looker?
Why don't you rescue her and see for yourself?
If she's hot, I'm asking her out.
Well then, you can find out how tough her guard is, too. Come on, just hurry up, will you? Please? Nice kill, kid!
6 miles. Enemy force advancing. Can you take them out for us?
Roger that. You take care of the rescue.
Is the rescue team back yet? Did they pick her up?
That's definitely her. I can see her flanking from here.
4 miles. We're gonna have to rely on you on the ground. Pull through for us, okay?
Roger that. We owe you one from yesterday.
The captain shot down the enemy.
Kobold, you deal with the pursuing units. I'll go save the princess.
Damn it! I think the enemy helicopter spotted the pilot.
Nice kill! 2 miles.
Hold on, I got your back.
Nice kill!
Sea Goblin arriving at designated point momentarily.
Don't take them on by yourself. Climb and fight from above. He's at your 6 o'clock. Break right. Shake him off. Hurry! These guys are too good. We can't win if we go head on.
All right, prepare to drop. Don't make her wait any longer. Everyone ready? Go, go, go!
Rescue team dropping from helicopter. I was really worried there for a while.
You got a towel? I need to wipe all this sweat off my brow. Say, Blaze, I think that song would be perfect for a time like this, you know? Yeah, Face of the Coin. I love that song.
When the rescue team found her, she was holding captive a group of soldiers who were sent in to capture her. Behind her was the helicopter crew that crashed while trying to rescue her. She had saved them, treated their wounds, and hid them in a safe place. I needed to rethink my image of her after this, after seeing her amazing toughness and tenacity. She even managed to obtain a little information from the soldiers she captured. It seems the people of Yuktobania were also beginning to have doubts about their leaders in the current war. And word of Nagase's squadron was getting around, as the force that sunk 2 of their most powerful submarines. The Yuk Army soldiers had nicknamed them the Demons of Razgriz. She was obviously very proud of that when she told me about it later. Perhaps her pride was for Captain Bartlett, the man who had trained them, or maybe it was for her current captain. However, nobody in the upper echelons of her own army was proud of them. Bartlett was still missing, and that made his old trainees the subject of suspicion and criticism.
What? What do you mean it's our turn to choose?